Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about what is the best nourishment that we can use from our kitchen for our hair. You know, if our kitchen has various kind of spices, our kitchen has various kind of drinks, our kitchen has various kind of salads, our kitchen has various kind of dry fruits and nuts, and sometimes we have natural hair tonics. So let's see what are these things which are there in our kitchen which can be used for the nourishment of your hair. You know, the most common thing in kitchen, especially in Indian households, that you can find is spices. Now you must be surprised, like, which is the spice that is the best nourishment for your hair. So the best nourishment, the spice that nourishes your hair to the roots, that is curry leaves. If you go to South India, you will see they are using curry leaves in everything. In most of the things they are cooking with curry leaves. And these curry leaves are very beneficial for the health and root of your hair. And it promotes hair growth. In addition to that, you can also use curry leaves paste. Just you take some curry leaves, soak overnight in the morning, make the paste of these curry leaves and just apply on your hair. For better results, keep it as it is for 1 hour and then rinse with some natural shampoo. You will get amazing results just by these curry leaves. And if you don't have curry leaves, you can use curry leaves powder. Curry leaves powder is easily available in any shop, any market, and you can soak it overnight and in the morning just apply it as a paste. It will give amazing results for your hair. Curry leaves is very rich source of vitamin B and full of antioxidants, which is needed for our hair growth, because you know, once our body has deficiency of any kind of oxidant or vitamin B, our most vestigial, like most useless part for the body is hair. So body shows sign like there is some nutritional deficiency and you start feeling hair loss. That is alarming sign, like you check, maybe there is some nutritional deficiency. Maybe there is some deficiency of vitamin B or antioxidants. So once you start eating curry leaves and you check these vitamin deficiencies, your hair fall will be stopped, because for a body, hair are the one thing that needs least nourishment, because body has more concern to protect our liver, our heart, our kidney, and hair nourishment to hair doesn't go and it start fallen off. So if you have also hair fall, maybe check you have deficiency of vitamin B, or your body needs some antioxidants. So it is the time that you start using curry leaves in your cooking, and you can also use curry leaves paste for your hair once or twice a week. Next most common thing is what change we can do in our salad. Which is the most beneficial salad for hair? You must be surprised to know hair are in too much need of vitamin A, and carrot is one thing which is rich source of vitamin A, and it is very beneficial for your eyes. It's also very beneficial for your hair. Among carrot, there, you know, big carrot is there. The inner part, middle part of the carrot, it is hot in potency, but the outer red part is cooling in potency. So whenever there is excess heat in the system, that also causes hair fall. So carrot is one among salads. You can take big plate of carrot salad in which you eat the red part of the carrot, the white part leave it as it is. And this red part is very beneficial to enhance blood in your system. Also, it's very rich source of vitamin A, which is necessary for hair growth. Not only this, it also balances the heat in your system, and it's very beneficial for your eyes too. So what is the best way to eat carrot? So carrot is like in whole over the world, carrot is available. So you cut the carrot, take out the outer peel. If it is homegrown carrot, you can take the outer peel also, eat also outer peel, but usually you peel out the outer peel, cut it into small pieces and add little bit of lemon into it, little bit of pepper. Just make a natural carrot salad and just consume it. It's very beneficial for your health, for your digestive system, for your eyes, for your hair. So start using carrots. And what is the best time to eat carrot? Not after food but before food. Always eat salad or any kind of carrot or any kind of salad always before food, not after food, because after food post digestion of carrot becomes difficult. So make sure whenever you are eating carrot salad, carrot juice or anything, it should be before food, not after food. Otherwise what will happen, if you eat carrot after food, the carrot get digested more very quickly as compared to cooked food. So once the carrot will get digested, the cooked food will block the pathway of carrot digestion, and by then fermentation of carrot will start quickly, because carrot get digested in 1.5 or 2 hours and food takes 4 to 5 hours for digestion. So it's recommended according to Ayurveda that you always first eat carrot and then eat anything cooked. So next question comes, as I am talking about the heat in the system, what is the herb that we can use to balance the heat in our system? So the best herb for hair growth, for eyes, for reducing the pitta, for balancing the heat in the system, for balancing your digestive fire, the best rasayana, the best immunity tonic, that is Amla, Emilica officinalis. Amla is one herb that is so beneficial for your hair growth, for your eyes, for your skin, for your immunity, for your antioxidants, for vitamin C, for everything. And those places where Amla is not available, you can use Amla powder, and Amla powder is available throughout the world. You can search any good pharmacy and take Amla powder, soak it overnight and drink it in the morning, or take it empty stomach in the morning. This way it will help you to nourish your hair from the root. And not only this, it will also balance the heat in your system, because excess heat when you have excess of digestive fire, that also causes hair loss. So it's very important that we balance our digestive fire by using natural Ayurveda herbs. Next comes, as I mentioned, like heat get enhanced, that also cause hair fall. So among all the dry fruits are heat enhancing. Some are kapha enhancing, and many dry fruits are enhancing heat in the system if you are eating it without soaking. So which should we stop eating dry fruits? Of course, if you are eating dry fruits without soaking them, then you stop eating dry fruits. And if you are eating dry fruits after soaking, then you can consume. And among dry fruits, the best dry fruit that is beneficial for your hair, that is almond. You can soak overnight 2 to 3 almonds, remove the peel in the morning of almond, and then consume it. Throw the water in which you have soaked the almonds. Chew the almond very thoroughly, very slowly for long time. This kind of almond is one thing, it's a brain tonic, is very beneficial for your brain. It is very good source of vitamin E that is needed for your hair. It's very good for your skin, and it's very good for your hair follicles. And as you know, the most important thing that is needed for hair growth is biotin, and almond is rich in biotin. So you start eating almonds. These almonds are very, very beneficial for your hair growth and hair repair. So as we were talking about enhancing heat in the system, and if there is excess heat in the system, what is the drink that you can take to reduce the heat in the system? So best drink that you can take to reduce the heat in the system, that is buttermilk. Regarding buttermilk, I already have created many videos, so you can search on my channel benefits of buttermilk, and you start using buttermilk. Buttermilk can be eaten with food also in the morning, not in the evening, but in the morning or in the afternoon when there is sun in the sky. This way, if you are eating, it is very good for your digestion. It is very beneficial for your intestine or IBS or any kind of problem. But this buttermilk should not be sour in taste. It should not be made of sour curd. It should be normal taste, like it should be neutral taste or sweet. It should not be sour. This kind of buttermilk, you can use little bit of Himalayan salt or pink salt in it, that's called Sandhav Lavan. You can use little bit of pepper in it and just consume it. This is very, very beneficial. If you take this buttermilk either with food or just like that, you can take buttermilk. This is very beneficial for the health of your intestine, because all the nourishment for your hair will get absorbed from intestine. So we need to take care of your intestine also, at the same time hair growth too. And buttermilk, if it is excess, you can also use buttermilk for washing your hair. That will also provide enough nourishment to your hair. Just wash your hair with, or just apply buttermilk for half hour and then wash with normal soap or normal water, and this way also it will act as a conditioner for your hair. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. You can click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click the join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.